While certain foods may contain nutrients that support nerve health, it's important to note that no single food can miraculously heal nerve damage on its own. Nerve damage often requires medical attention and a comprehensive treatment plan. However, here are 10 foods that are generally considered beneficial for nerve health due to their nutrient content. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but they also provide essential nutrients like vitamin B12 and selenium. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce nerve inflammation, while vitamin B12 supports nerve cell health and function. Number 2. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. Additionally, these greens are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in nerve function. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts, including almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from damage. These nuts also contain healthy fats and essential nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins, all of which contribute to nerve health. Number 4. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are bursting with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds have been shown to have neuroprotective effects, guarding nerve cells against oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 5. Avocado. Avocado is a creamy fruit that's a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and potassium. The healthy fats in avocados contribute to nerve cell membrane health, while vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant that safeguards nerves from damage. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are renowned for their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which supports the integrity of nerve tissues. Moreover, this vitamin possesses antioxidant properties that aid in neutralizing harmful free radicals. Number 7. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, especially the brightly colored ones, are brimming with vitamin C and various antioxidants. These antioxidants, including beta-carotene, help protect nerves from oxidative stress and promote overall nerve health. Number 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable rich in B vitamins, particularly B6 and B9, folate. B vitamins are crucial for nerve health as they assist in nerve signal transmission and contribute to the formation of myelin, the protective covering of nerves. Number 9. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat provide a steady supply of complex carbohydrates and B vitamins. Thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, and niacin, B3, play integral roles in nerve function and energy production, supporting the transmission of nerve signals. Number 10. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been studied for its potential to protect nerve cells from damage and inflammation, making it a promising spice for promoting nerve health. Remember, while incorporating these foods into a balanced diet can be beneficial, they should be part of a comprehensive approach to managing nerve health. Always consult with a healthcare professional for guidance if you suspect nerve damage or have specific health concerns. While certain foods